Hey guys, it's Shelley. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. So in today's video, I'm going to be applying a full face of makeup products by the brand Dr. Hauschka. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. However, they are a German natural and organic beauty and skincare line, and I have been a fan of Dr. Hauschka products for a really long time. They are really transparent and almost trailblazers in terms of natural beauty and skincare products. So if you're interested in sticking around to hearing more about Dr. Hauschka's makeup collection and also watch me create this look using these products, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so before I go ahead and start creating this look using the makeup products by Dr. Hauschka, I just want to give you just a little bit more information about the brand itself. As mentioned, it was founded in 1967. It is a German brand, and they really focus on creating products that are good for your skin and also just really beautiful in terms of the makeup itself. They use high-quality natural ingredients that are responsibly sourced, have no synthetics, and have absolutely no animal testing. So in terms of the ingredients in these products, I love to talk about the ingredients because ingredients matter. Dr. Hauschka uses all natural ingredients that are derived from nature. They have been minimally processed, and they are free of synthetic fragrances, colors, and dyes. These products have also been thoroughly tested for safety and purity. They contain no GMOs, PEGs, petroleum, parabens, propylene glycol, silicones, sodium lauryl sulfates, and they have had no irradiation at any stage of their production. Dr. Hauschka is a very environmentally friendly brand, so all of their products are curated through environmentally friendly manufacturing practices. So with that being said, and without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me creating this beautiful purple-hued look using only cosmetics by the brand Dr. Hauschka. Alrighty, so that completes my full face look using only products by Dr. Hauschka. I think the only product that was not by this brand was my inner corner highlight. However, with that being said, I think we all know what my general takeaway opinion is of these cosmetics. I love them. I really am so happy I stumbled upon them. I don't think I have really loved an entire line of cosmetics this much in a really long time. The foundation feels like I am putting on just a luxurious moisturizer. Everything just feels fresh, it smells fresh and natural, it wears great, the pigment is beautiful. I think you can just tell how beautiful these products really are. I do not have a single negative thing to say about any of the products that I applied today. In terms of my favorite products, I would say that the foundation is definitely up there. The liquid illuminator, which is limited edition by the way, so if you are interested in purchasing it, I would go ahead and do that now. I wouldn't waste any time. The eyeshadows were really pretty. They actually surprised me. I swatched them when I was down at the Whole Foods in Charleston and I was kind of on the fence. I wasn't really sure. However, I purchased them anyway and gave them a shot and I was really pleasantly surprised. So I don't know if just the samples there had kind of been sitting out or if they were old or whatever. I think they are really gorgeous. The lipsticks are comfortable. They are moisturizing. I bought, I think, most of the colors that they had available. They also had really beautiful sheer lipsticks. Hold on, I'll show you. So this is what the 3 shades of the sheer lipstick look like. They are really great for day-to-day wear. I wore them non-stop. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of the makeup products by Dr. Hauschka. I'm really interested to hear if you love it as much as I do. If you've never heard of it before, I definitely recommend checking it out. It is just so clean and so beautiful. You really can't beat it. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.